my name is Niranjana. I'm coming from Trichy. I'm currently studying as a final year student in Government Engineering College, Calicut. And I also currently work as a freelance graphic designer. Before that, I worked as a project coordinator and also a content writer. And definitely, you can say that I love to take on multiple different jobs. And also, ever since I was elected as the Fine Arts Secretary of Government Engineering College, Calicut, I put forward and actualized a lot of ideas like converging technology and art, and that's something that I'm always intrigued by in this information era. And yes, very much interested in movies and making videos, because movies are, of course, beyond art. We can say that it's a convergence of technology and art. That's a pretty tough one to answer, but I would say that ever since I was a little child, I was so much intrigued by computers, because when I was in fifth standard, I started playing around with my first computer, and yeah, I started exploring a lot of editing software and designing software, and that is my favorite arena of softwares. And just because I started playing around with a lot of software doesn't make me so much intrigued by electronics and technology. I get it, but as I was growing up, I was coming to know more about the pervasiveness of technology and the role of technology in our day-to-day life as we're coming to this age of information era. Not coming to this age of information era, I think we're just more going to this developed stage of information era. So I think that as an electronic engineer, we have a lot to contribute to this fast-growing information era, and that really motivated me to select this course. I can talk all day about what I envision about future. I mean, not about my aspirations in particular, but I would like to talk about future when I look at it in a broader picture, not about like my particular aspirations. I do have a lot to study. Like, I do have a lot to learn about graphic designing and motion graphics, and definitely in the future, I'm going to be more improved in all these different arenas. But for us in particular, when we talk about future holds a lot of amazing gifts for us. Like when you talk about technology and art, the convergence of technology and art, we are familiarized with the audio-visual experience of cinemas and animation movies and stuff. But in the future, we're going to be familiarized with VR and sense theaters, and it's going to be like a magical experience for us. Like, all our senses are going to get stimulated, and I'm really looking forward to be a part of that sort of a magical world.